lately over 94% gone. These are some rather insane figures. The state of affairs now is ridiculous. Shiba Inu numbers on the move are around 33 trillion. This represents among the highest in history. People are crazy after Shiba Inu broke a fresh all-time high today. But what is occurring here? And why am I acting so crazily about it? Allow me to clarify, then. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Shiba Inu is seeing the effects as the market shakes once again. Yesterday, the token dropped almost 1%, a hard blow for the society. Unquestionably difficult times abound here, and it's reasonable to be worried. Dedicated Shiba Inu team member Lucy responded urgently on social media with a statement meant to help to solve the matter. Here is a little update regarding an interesting platform called Memabot, however, before we go. Users of Memabot, a simple crypto arbitrage tool, may invest their cryptocurrencies and, according to the website, everyday profit 10%. The platform presents two different schemes. The first gives daily 10% returns over 14 days. The second gives an amazing 120% return in only 24 hours. Membot stands itself primarily for its promise to provide daily withdrawals free of extra fees, therefore guaranteeing a flawless customer experience. Deposits are very basic. All you have to do is pick the plan, decide on the amount, and post the money to the site. Regarding the withdrawal aspect currently. For instance, today this wallet has already earned $100. Let us now tour the withdrawal procedure. It's quite straightforward. The user merely has to click on Withdraw, choose the digital currency they want to withdraw, USDT in this case, enter the amount, $100, and verify the request. In a few minutes, the money was effectively transferred into the pocketbook. Membot runs using an innovative arbitrage bot that searches 12 Bitcoin exchanges to find the most lucrative trade pairings. Developed by Memabot, this technology is meant to make independent market choices. A group of developers is always working on improving the bot, repairing any defects, and programming update to keep ahead of the market. The website aims to democratize arbitrage trading so that a broad audience may use it with little effort or past experience needed. Users are highly advised, meanwhile, to do independent extensive research before making any platform investment. Such large profits as the website advertises can be rather dangerous. Let's also return to the video considering everything that has been mentioned. Turning now back to Lucy's important message, her remarks served as a lesson of resiliency. Until you sell, she said, it is not a loss. Yet her final line of post truly speaks to me. Simply another day in our online environment, and quite honestly, it makes perfect sense. This trend is not new, ups and downs, times of uncertainty followed by fresh optimism. It is a cycle, a pattern nearly ingrained in the crypto trip. However, if you're interested in learning what caused this most recent market collapse, the decline followed a significant event with the U.S. economy. Basically, a major gauge of government borrowing behavior, the 10-year U.S. Treasury yield surged upward. This made many anxious about growing inflation. The Institute for Supply Management then produced yet another study. It revealed that December's private service sector expanded beyond predicted level. From 52.1 in November to 54.1 in December, the Purchasing Managers Index, or PMI, rose. Though everyone might not find that figure significant, here is the basic lesson. It exceeded what professionals were projecting by much. What then occurred? Investors' concern about inflation maybe being high for longer caused U.S. equities to fall drastically. Furthermore, as we have seen numerous times before, crypto usually follows when conventional markets collapse. We are therefore seeing Shiba Inu along with other currencies down today. It's all a result of the connectivity across these markets. Like Lucy said before, however, this is only another day in the world of technology. Furthermore, some members of the crypto society are already stating that this presents a fantastic opportunity for further purchases. Get the dip. They see it as a chance to get additional coins at a discount, which, quite honestly, we have heard a lot about during market declines. But looking at the figures now, things seem somewhat random. The downing of Bitcoin ETF inflows by 94% is one of the most startling developments that is a somewhat significant decline. This indicates precisely how wary investors have grown since far less individuals are now funding Bitcoin funds. These are some ridiculous figures that really highlight the current state of financial instability. But as usual in the realm of cryptocurrencies, everything is subject to quick change, and this is when things really spiral. While the whole crypto market is suffering, Shiba Inu recently had one of its highest daily inflows from significant holders in past times. It initially doesn't make much sense. Prices are down, the market is contracting, and yet large companies are rapidly snatching enormous numbers of Shiba Inu. Usually, one would anticipate individuals to be selling rather than purchasing during a downturn. Let me clarify, however, what transpired. The larger crypto market is in a retracing phase that is dragging prices down generally. Not escaped the strike either, Shiba Inu. It's trapped in the decline. Still, on-chain statistics showed something amazing in spite of this negative trend. Shiba Inu has saw a net inflow of 33 trillion tokens from big holders. At current rates, it is an amazing $739 million worth of Shiba Inu. Put another way, this one incident accounted for around 5.7% of Shiba Inu's whole circulating supply. That is a huge quantity, particularly in this turbulent period. And here is the reason this is really important. Large holder inflows over the last few months have averaged 600 billion Shiba Inu daily. They have kept under 30 trillion Shiba Inu usually despite sporadic surges. Nearly 4 years ago, in July 2021, when Shiba Inu was still a younger project, we last seen an influx this large. For background, the 24 trillion Shiba Inu influx in March 2024 came amid a price surge. But what we are presently witnessing is different. This is occurring amid a market downturn, and it adds even more startling aspect. It demonstrates how huge players are silently stockpiling while certain investors are panicked, and it is very certainly something worth observing. But here's when things deviate entirely from reason. People hypothesizing that whales are silently accumulating from this enormous 33 trillion Shiba Inu influx. Sounds fantastic, just like it should. Nonetheless, hang on. The Crypto Basics states this may not be the case at all. Actually, they have verified that a number of whales purchasing tokens had nothing to do with the surge. Rather, it reveals this was an internal money shift from one of the top cryptocurrency exchanges, Crypto.com, to a single wallet, Crypto.com apparently transferred over 32 trillion Shiba Inu coins across 20 distinct transactions, and it alone accounted for much of this massive influx statistic. Hold on, however, wait. Whirlwind in the world, like you most likely right now, I'm also perplexed, so let's discover this together. Exchange of cryptocurrencies. The Shiba Inu community was shocked when Crypto.com began rapidly shifting large quantities of the coins to an unidentified wallet. Whale Alert, a blockchain tracker monitoring significant transactions, first observed this large movement. Beginning with a transfer value tens of millions of dollars, they soon saw that Crypto.com was exporting Shiba Inu coins in batches. It originally seemed as if a whale was engaged in some really significant movement. The neighborhood was humming with hypotheses. While some feared it may be a hack, others believed it was a big purchase. People were really perplexed, wondering about this all. But the crypto fundamental found the truth when one dug further. It was neither a hacker off with money or a whale purchasing Shiba Inu. Just Crypto.com shifting their own coins. They moved these tokens around their wallets. Something exchanges do routinely to maintain security and control liquidity. Moving billions of coins each time, Crypto.com made around 20 transactions to the same wallet overall. Although it seems dramatic for a significant deal, this is really typical. Still, it startled many people, particularly because Shiba Inu's price was declining at the same time. Some believed this indicated a significant whale concentration. Others freaked out, believing something horrible was occurring to Crypto.com. Actually, however, it was really an internal shuffle. Nothing more, nothing less is all. Said otherwise, it makes sense why folks were perplexed. Timing is crucial, hence it's easy to draw hasty judgments when these transactions take place amid a market collapse. Now that we understand what really occurred, however, things make a little more logical, sort of. Alright, so maybe that disclosure about Crypto.com shuffling its own coins was a little irritating. The good news is that now, however, Shiba Inu is involved in something very massive right now. Active Shiba Inu accounts just reach an all-time high. Right present, 1.38 million wallets, including Shiba Inu, reveal the rapid expansion of the community. Shiba Inu acquired 100,000 new members in 2024 alone, in spite of all the market swings. That is really remarkable. Blockchain records suggest that this expansion did not happen overnight. Since Shiba Inu's 2020 introduction, it has been accumulating steadily. Actually, there were fewer than 1 million wallets with Shiba Inu back in August 2021. By now, that figure has more than quadrupled to 1.38 million. Fascinating is that this expansion went beyond mere buzz. It occurred along with some reasonable price increases. Starting 2024 at almost 401, Shiba Inu managed to more than quadruple by the end of the year, especially after a difficult December. Shiba Inu peaked with close to 403. It is among its strongest years ever since it is a 104% rise in 2024. Here's yet another interesting figure. During one of Shiba Inu's pricing runs in Q4 2024, the project had hundreds of fresh wallets generated daily. Over 21,000 fresh addresses showed up in one day once. This demonstrates the Shiba Inu community's ongoing growth even amid trying circumstances. The ecosystem is growing as people hang onto their tokens and new investors are entering. Thus, even if the market seems unstable right now, Shiba Inu is not slowing down anytime soon. There is actual development, hence one should monitor it. On this, however, what is your view? Think down below. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.